Steve Freed with the Morning Grain Comments. Well, the big news overnight is that the U.S. and China agreed to pull back tariffs against each other from 125 to 10. That's a 90-day grace period for further negotiations. So we've got beans up about 17 cents, corn's up 2, soybean oil's up $1.70 at 50.29. While wheat is unchanged at 5.21. Stock market is sharply higher, dollar sharply higher, crude sharply higher, and gold is sharply lower. Today's USDA report, 11 o'clock Central Time, 12 o'clock Eastern, will be smarter than we are right now, especially this is the first month in what the USDA gives us their guesses for 25 and 26. When you look at beans, it could be a big change, the higher crush and lower exports, and we'll just see how high the USDA wants to go in carryout. For corn, you have pretty much, a bigger crop, bigger feed and residual, slightly higher ethanol use, but lower export number, which should increase the carryout close to 2 billion for 25-26. For wheat, not much change in the carryout numbers. The crop is smaller than last year. The hard red rental wheat carryout is down, while soft red and hard red spring is pretty much unchanged from last year. We'll be watching to see what they do to Russia. Some people think that the 25-26 Russian crop will be a little bit bigger than last year. Exports also may be a little bit bigger than last year, but well below 2 years ago. And then South America, we'll see if they want to do anything to the Brazil crop, the Brazil corn and soybean crop, and if they want to do anything to Argentina, especially the soybean crop. So we'll see how much more risk premium is going to be put on the soybean market. Just because they agreed to lower tariffs does not necessarily mean they're going to buy U.S. beans. They could buy U.S. wheat. There's been talk about them buying 400,000 to 500,000 tons of Canada, Australia wheat recently because of the dry conditions in their wheat areas. As far as weather goes, record temps yesterday. Minot, North Dakota was 99 degrees. There was a location in northwest Minnesota that was 100 degrees. We also note that rain is coming in for those areas. Southwest is dry. Midwest could see some rains next week, which is perfect timing. And the Southeast is going to get some rains this week. Still dry in northern Europe, wet in the south. The Russian areas are supposed to get rain. We'll also note that Australia is mostly dry. So all that adds up to a higher opening led by beans. Corn is a reluctant follower and wheat's unchanged.